The F1E1 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a problem with the appliance's application control unit, or ACU. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including a drop in voltage, power surges, or wiring problems. To resolve the error, it is recommended to start by checking the voltage at the electrical outlet to ensure it is supplying the correct voltage to the machine. Additionally, powering the unit down and then back up can be an effective solution. Simply unplug the washer from the power source, wait a minute or two, and then plug it back in and restart a new cycle. It is also important to inspect the wiring, specifically the ground harness system, to determine if the wires are in good condition. Verify that the ACU's connector internal pins are visible and that the connectors are secure. If any damaged wires are found, consider replacing them. By following these steps, the F1E1 error code should no longer appear, and the washer should function properly.